Growth in China continued to slow over this year. The slowing growth reflects policy steps to put economic growth on a more sustainable footing. There have been greater policy efforts to tighten credit growth, to reduce excess capacity in certain industries, to internalize the cost of industrial pollution, and also to harden budget constraints of local governments. We welcome these measures because they will facilitate a much-needed realignment of growth in the medium term. Despite decelerating growth, the labor market is dynamic. Services are absorbing workers as the structural transformation continues. Also recently introduced measures to streamline company registration contributed to a more dynamic labor market. We forecast the growth for 2014 to be 7.4%. For 2015 and 2016, we expect average growth to ease to just above 7%. To intensify policy efforts to rebalance the economy is a good thing. The challenge is to engineer this gradual slowdown. The government has done a good job so far. They have judiciously used targeted support measures. Now, let me turn to the challenges. In the immediate term, the policy challenge is to strengthen market discipline in the financial sector. In the medium term, China's challenge is to keep the reform momentum going. There has been encouraging progress in important areas during 2014. Implementation of a coordinated and ambitious reform agenda will not be easy. However, if done well, a moderate rate of growth over the next decade is expected and welcome. More importantly, the reform dividends will accelerate China's next transformation.